Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds Moto Buds 270. In this video I will use this type of brush. This time I don't need another type or ear stick, and I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit. Now, right here we have this golden dot. This one is charging contact, so we need to apply isopropyl alcohol at the charging contact. Here we go, and now we can clean it with a brush. Now let's move to the right side on the left earbud. And let's apply it for the right earbud. I mean, isopropyl alcohol. Here we go. Also, charging contacts we have at the case, and I will clean it also. Now let's clean the grill. So we need to remove ear tips. It's really easy, and slightly clean it. Now let's apply ear tip. And we can put the left one to the charging case. Let's move to the right one. And let's clean it also. Sorry, not clean it, apply it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.